that give way junction there. Can you see the give way sign there? Now that give way sign, examiners have actually told us as well that we have to treat that as a closed view junction, and because of that we have to stop over there. Now the reason why, can you see where that lady is walking there?
Yeah.
What is the risk over there? Can you think of any hazard or any risk over there? Why we have to let that learner,
Yeah.
like he stopped there? Can you see that? Why you think they're stopping?
Is it traffic that was coming up?
That's it. The traffic was coming from the left.
Right. Yeah.
What we did, if you remember, we came from there and we came like that. We came this way. We didn't follow the road, remember?
Oh yeah.
So when you are there, you can see the traffic coming from the other side. What you cannot see, the traffic coming from your left. And because of that reason, it's really important to stop and do your ladder.
Okay.
Now when you stop over there, the first thing examiner wants you to do, lean your body over. If you still can't see it, then creep your car forward. Now what's important, you don't want to stop after the giveaway line. You want to stop on or before the giveaway line. Does it make sense? Any problem, any questions so far?
No.
So we're gonna go straight ahead on this junction. Are you okay to do this by yourself?
Yeah.
Right, let's do this, shall we? So are you assessing any risk ahead as well after the giveaway line? Because you always have to assess ahead as well, isn't it?
This pedestrian is going to cross.
Yeah, maybe you want to cross. What about the parked cars on the left?
Yeah.
That means we have to go into other lane. So there's so much potential risk involved. We should always be assessing. Well done, very good.